I'd like to take this time to welcome you back to another episode of my C7 Corvette channel. And I'm the host, John Shaft. You're looking at on the screen a C8 Z51 Performance Package Corvette Mystery Red. This particular vehicle is going for about $80,000. I do believe this is a 1LT with the red seats, seat belt covers. And as I said, it's a mystery red in color Corvette. And that says ownership like a beautiful C8 2022 Corvette. Keep in mind, if you was to go to a dealership and purchase one of these vehicles, like say a 2020 model or 2021 model, you could probably pay as much as $120,000 just for a Z51 Performance Package. These dealerships are charging at least 30 to 50%, if not even higher, in market prices for the mid-engine C8 Corvette. And as you can see, she has the front trunk where you can store your valuable goods. And the Z51 has the front spoiler splitter that gives you a little bit more of a photo look to the vehicle. This is a beautiful color, and I have seen this color myself in person. I just wish the wheel was more of a chrome-like color instead of this matte type of deal. But I can only imagine what the Z06 is going to be like once they come out into the market, when you see such a massive piece on the base model. And as I say, this is a 1LT Z51 Corvette. And this almost gives you a feel like you're behind the wheel of the vehicle yourself. Almost sort of like a simulator. But nothing says ownership. Why? Because that's Chevy Corvette. You can also purchase the 1LT in the base model You can. I've seen those as low as $65,000 if you order it from GM. Get it directly from GM and have it either delivered to your dealership, or you can use the Corvette Museum and have it delivered to the Corvette Museum. One thing about having it delivered to the Corvette Museum is that you don't have to worry about anybody trying to jack up the price over MSRP on you like they would at the dealership. But the only thing is that the museum charges $999 for this option. That says ownership like the Chevy Corvette. And I'm the host, John Schaff, and this is my C7 Corvette channel, where all things are Corvette. Stop dreaming and start driving your new Corvette. I must say, this is a magnificent machinery. It doesn't get any better than this, than the Chevy Corvette. And as you can see, she kind of got a little bit out of control there, but he was able to quickly get it back under control. And thanks to the car that also has the driving management system that helps you stay in control of your vehicle, and also teaches you to even be a better driver. And as you can see, the driver just use launch control. The vehicle does come standard with launch control. I must say, this is totally different from my C7 that I have. This car here comes equipped with magnetic ride control, front end lift, high performance exhaust, 8-speed dual clutch, and of course it's automatic. I have a 7-speed manual. And unfortunately, the GM didn't get us a manual in the C8. It kind of takes away from the experience of driving a sports car, not having a manual. But then again, I never had the experience of driving a C8 double clutch automatic. Well, again, this is John Schaff, and you are viewing my C7 Corvette channel. Nothing says ownership like the Chevy Corvette. You notice how this car just gets right into that curve and gets right into that turn and that corner with little or no effort. That's what you call a mid-engine design. No understeer or anything like that. Also keep in mind the Z51 have what you call the Z mode. And you set up the Z modes according to what you like, what your driving experience is. And whenever you get out of the vehicle and get back in it, you just click on Z mode and the vehicle goes back to the settings that you have set up for your particular self. I can say one thing, that these vehicles look great, man, when they are on the road. They really grab you and just draws you in. The attentions of it, and just wanting to go down the highway. How it's designed and how it moves. This is John Shaft. And this is my C7 Corvette channel, where all things are Corvette. This is the Mystery Red Z51 mid-engine 2022 model Corvette, going at about $80,000. And it is the 1LT. Of course, now if you get it from a dealership and it's a older model, like 2020 or 2021, you're gonna probably pay you about between $108,000 and $120,000 for a Z51. At least that's what I have seen. That's what I have seen on the sticker price of some of these particular Corvettes. Was waiting to be delivered to the customers, and those particular Corvettes are hidden back behind the building on the racetrack. You know, the Corvette Museum also has a racetrack across the street. That's yeah, the racetrack across the street also goes with the museum, and that's where they had the Corvettes that's waiting to be delivered to the Corvette Museum. And those was the one that was damaged during the storm. But the Corvette Museum, I think, is back open now and operating on the normal business hours. In case you wanted to go to Bowling Green and visit the Corvette Museum. This is John Shaft. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification button so you will know when I am doing a upload. And we do thank you for watching. And we will see you again in the next video upload.